Okay.
Hello, I'm Craig with OklaHome, and we're down here in Norman doing a final top-out insulation in this attic. And I have Juan here with Thrice Energy. Tell us about what you're doing here today, Juan.
Right now we're doing over here, we're putting an in-blowing insulation on the attic. We're doing blowing the cathedral R38. We're doing a couple inches on the top of the beds, like that you can fit in any possible edge. And we're going to do that part over there. There's my guy working right now. There's R38 right there, that side, and then back on the down, that too.
Well, what I'm most impressed with here, Juan, is that you're the quality control guy. You showed up, the crew is here, but you're going around and looking and making sure everything is done. I like that you have all these measurements up here, and that tells you, making sure that you get the insulation the right thickness. Real impressive job. Thank you very much, Juan.
You're welcome. No problem.